How to remove a chat from chat log. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device and then make sure you are logged into your account. Next, what you can do is simply tap on the chat that you want to log first. So I'm going to select on this chat over here and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then here you can see the option of log chat. So tap on log chat and then tap on continue. So you just have to confirm to lock the chat. So as you lock the chat, here you can see the option of lock chats over here at the top. So tap on lock chats and then give your passkey. And as you do that, you'll be led to the lock chats over here. And in order to unlock this or remove a chat from chat log, make a long press on the chat and then tap on three dotted lines and then tap on unlock chat over here. And confirm the passcode again. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.